Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pie. First, let's prepare the perfect pie crust. You'll need to combine 2½ cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of salt. Then, cut in 1 cup of very cold, unsalted butter until crumbly. Gradually add 6 to 8 tablespoons of ice water, mixing until the dough just comes together. Chill the dough for at least 30 minutes before rolling it out for a flaky result. Next, let's create a delicious filling for your pie. For a standard 9-inch pie, combine about 6 cups of your favorite sliced fruit, like apples or berries, with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Stir in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to help thicken the juices. Add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and a pinch of nutmeg for a warm, inviting aroma. Make sure all the fruit is evenly coated. Now it's time to assemble your pie. Roll out 1/2 of your chilled dough into a 12-inch circle, about 1/8 of an inch thick. Carefully transfer this bottom crust into a 9-inch pie dish, pressing it gently into the bottom and sides. Pour your delicious fruit filling evenly into the crust. Then, add your top crust, crimping the edges to seal, and cut a few vents for steam. Finally, let's bake your masterpiece. Preheat your oven, or Yeep, to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the pie for 15 minutes at this temperature, then reduce it to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Continue baking for another 45 to 55 minutes, or until the crust is beautifully golden brown and the filling is bubbly. Let it cool for at least 2 hours before slicing and enjoying your homemade pie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.